This is problem 13. So this is to find the number of teeth, module and center distance and pitch diameter. So following are the particulars of a single reduction spur gear. The gear ratio is 10:1 and the center distance is 275 mm. The pinion transmits 375 kilowatt at 1800 rpm. The teeth are of involute form. Standard addendum of one module and pressure angle 22.5 degrees. The normal tooth pressure is not to exceed 9810 Newton per centimeter. Width. Find the nearest center diameter of pitch if no intends to occur, and the number of teeth in each wheel. So now gear ratio G is 10. So distance small c is 275. Power is 275 kilowatt. N1 is 180 rpm. Addendum is one module. Pressure pi is 22.5 degrees. Addendum, therefore addendum constant is 1. So now theoretically the minimum number of teeth on pinion should be T equals to 2AW G into square root of 1 plus 1 by G sin square pi 1 by G plus 2 minus 1. Substituting the values of AW, G and sin pi, we get 13.1058. so we will round it to 14. So capital T, minimum gear number, teeth on gear, capital T is T into G. 40 into 10, that is 140. So standard pitch circle diameter, standard pitch circle radius R is mt by 2, that is 7 m. Module is unknown. Standard pitch circle radius of gear R is mt by 2, that is 70 mm. M is module, which is unknown. Standard distance C is R plus R. So 275 equals to 7m plus 70m. So therefore 70 m equals to 3.75 mm. This is the known module. Therefore now nearest module is m is 4 mm. Therefore correct center distance is 4 into 77, that is 308 mm. Now standard pitch circle the pitch diameter of pinion D is 2 into R, 2 into 7 em, that is 56 mm. Nearest standard pitch diameter of gear capital D is 2 into capital R, that 2 into 70 m, that is 560 mm.